In this video, we are going to, just wanted to make sure that my video was going. In this video, we are going to work with graphing in the graphing calculator. So here I have a Casio. This is a Casio prism. It's very similar to a regular Casio that you might find. So regular Casio looks just like this. So one's in color and one is not. For the purposes of this video, I'm going to use the one that's in color because it's a little bit easier to see. So we've got our calculator. We're gonna hit the menu button so that we can all get to this main menu. And then you're going to go to the graphing feature. You can use your arrow or there's a little number there. I usually hit menu and then my number is 5 to get to the graphing feature. And this is where you would put your equation in. So I've got an equation in there. I'm going to delete it. So I hit F2 and then it says, do you want to delete the formula? And I hit F1, yes. And then I'm going to go down to Y2 and I'm going to delete that formula as well. Delete, and then F1. I'm going to go back to Y1 and I'm going to graph just the straight line Y equals X. The X button is above the fraction button on the left-hand side. And there we have Y equals X. I press enter and then I'm going to draw. Now my window is a little messed up because I had been previously graphing something. So should this happen to you where you do not have a standard window, a standard window goes from -10 on the x-axis to +10 on the x-axis, -10 on the y-axis to +10 on the y-axis. You're going to hit shift and then F3 for viewing window. And you can see how my axes are a bit messed up. They don't go from -10 to +10 on the x-axis. The minimum should be -10, maximum should be +10. Same thing with your minimum for your y should be -10 and your maximum should be +10. So I'm going to hit F3 for standard and it changes it back to a standard window, and then when I press enter I can redraw the picture and you can see our straight line. Now if I want to graph a quadratic, I can come up here and I can change this to be x squared. You hit the upper caret 2, then you press enter, and then you draw, and there's your quadratic graph. And it's that simple. So that's how you graph on the Casio. Now, should you need any additional help with things, maybe your type, if you don't have y's right here, type, you would change it to back to y equals. So you always want to make sure that these are y's, and that's how you get that to be y's. If it's not already, you hit type and then here's y equals. And it's pretty straightforward. So hopefully that helps. Give you a quick idea of how you're going to graph menu. And then when I want to get back to the original screen, I just hit menu 1, and there you go. I can do some regular calculations. 5 times 9, 2 times 9, 2 times 9 is 18. So hopefully this helped, and have a great day.